Hi and welcome to this absolute beginner's step-by-step guide to the Tai Chi stance called side bow stance. Starting with our feet slightly wider than hip width, we are transferring the weight over to one side by bending the knee and going into our side bow stance. Our ideal posture is tucking the tailbone under or down so our bottom isn't sticking out, and lifting up through the crown so we have nice tall posture. We also want to listen to our own knee and make sure that the position is comfortable for our knee joint. Let me show you from the side. And our breathing is inhaling to prepare and exhaling on the transfer of weight. Our modification is keeping the feet closer together, taking a shallow knee bend and having the legs straighter. And a progression is to take the feet wider apart and have a deeper knee bend. Let's practice our side bow stance together. Setting up with our feet slightly wider than hip width, we're going to inhale and bring our hands around and exhale, placing them on the table. Transferring the weight over to our side bow stance with a push across the body, bringing it back to center and repeating to the opposite side. Moving on to a progression, we're going to transfer the weight over to side bow stance and slide across, transferring through our horse stance, so staying low with that knee bend, across to side bow to the other side. And after this one, going back to straightening the legs in the middle and giving them a bit of a breather and sinking down across to our side bow stance. And this time sliding across, transferring the weight through that horse stance, staying low on the knee bend. I hope you found this absolute beginner's step-by-step guide to the Tai Chi side bow stance useful. Remember to check out the other absolute beginners sessions on the channel and to subscribe if you're enjoying the sessions here. Hope to see you soon. Bye.